The difference between the way a wealthy person thinks and the way a working class or poor person thinks is completely different or is at a completely different angle. Let me explain. A wealthy individual is always trying to seek the solution to whatever happened, whatever the problem is. Okay. They're thinking the how. How can I do this? How can I solve this problem? Um, how can I lose weight? How can I make money? Again, how can I solve the problem? A poor person says, who did this to me? It's a big, big difference. One is blame, one is acceptance and seeking solutions. If you go through your life, wherever you are now, and you say, well, I'm here because of my race, my religion, my sex, my parents' economic status, because I got passed up on a job, because, there's no solutions in that. It's just blame. It's who did it to me. It's their fault, and I deserve something else. The key word, you deserve something because of what happened to you. Wealthy people say, yep, I came from a poor family. How do I break free of that? I wasn't able to go to college. How do I still get the education to develop a skill so that I can be prosperous in my future? I don't have really great genes. How do I need to modify my diet? And what exercises I need to do to maximize my DNA that I do have to ensure that I live a happy life? Wealthy people are always trying to seek the solution and how to progress forward. The working class, the poor, are always looking at what happened to them and who did it to them, never looking to how to progress. That's the difference.